Hello everyone, welcome back to Algebra 2 lessons. In this video, we are going to talk about the example of rational equation. As I mentioned in previous lesson of rational equation, when we deal with rational equation, the most important part is to deal with the denominator, and our goal is to change to the same denominator. So as we mentioned, let's write down here to remind us, change to the same denominator. So that's our goal. And the way we use is called least common. You can say multiple, you can say LCD. It really doesn't matter. It's the same thing because we're talking about the terms in the bottom. So let's check what we see. We have x plus 1, we have x minus 1, we also have x squared minus 1. So you may wonder, it seems that there's nothing in common. Do I have to multiply them all? Actually, we don't. Sometimes you see the terms like you have a higher degree here. What we can do is let's just factor x minus x squared minus 1. And as we mentioned, this is actually difference of perfect square. So what do we do here? I can simplify this as this. This is how to factor them out. So as you can see, this is actually, so I'm going to rewrite this one as x plus 1 times x minus 1. So it's actually more clear. This is x plus 1, this is x minus 1, this is multiplying them together. Of course, this is going to be our least common multiple for all three terms. Another way to understand this, think about this. I have three terms here, 3, 5, and 15. Now, what is the least common multiple? 15, right? Because 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 is a multiple of all three terms. So that's clear. Our least common multiple here is x plus 1 and x minus 1. So this is our goal to reach it. Now let's check how can we change to this term. So I'm going to spread them out, rewrite this equation so you can easily see what I do here. Okay, so let's check which term is actually missing. Since this one is x plus 1, x minus 1, same as this one, so nothing to change for this term. For this one, I miss x plus 1, so I'm going to do the same thing on the top. For this one, I'm missing x minus 1, so I'm going to put x minus 1, x minus 1. Now check, every single denominator is the same. Remember, this is already factored out as this, so they're equivalent to this one. So I'm going to cancel, cancel, cancel. Now let's check what do I have on the top. X plus 1, because remember, times 1 is itself. X minus 1 times 1 is itself. So let's solve equation like a regular way. We combine like terms. We move the number to one side. And we move the variable to the other side. And that's it. That's our solution here. And if I go back to check, this negative 2 cannot make the denominator to be 0. So this is going to be our solution. So that's it. This is we can always check. Remember, as I mentioned before, there is a possibility we might have extraneous solution which leading to the denominator as 0. That solution has to be rejected. But for this case, we do not have anything like that, and that's going to be our solution. I hope this video is helpful. This is just another way to look at the denominator and to find LCD. So please check it, and if you see similar examples, you can definitely use this way to solve the rational equation. Okay? Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I hope this is helpful.